How do I perform a factory reset on my Raycon earbuds?
Hello. Today we are going to walk through the steps on how to perform a factory reset on your Raycon earbuds. This can be useful if you are experiencing any issues with your earbuds or if you are planning to sell or give them to someone else. Let's dive in.
Why do I need to reset my Raycon earbuds?
You might need to factory reset your earbuds for several reasons. Perhaps you're having trouble connecting them to your device, or maybe they aren't operating as smoothly as they used to. A factory reset can help resolve connection issues and bring your earbuds back to their original settings, ensuring optimal performance.
Preparing for the reset.
Before starting the reset process, make sure your earbuds are fully charged. This will prevent any disruption during the reset process. If your earbuds are not fully charged, plug them into the charger and wait until they are ready to go.
Performing the factory reset.
Now that your earbuds are ready, let's perform the reset. 1. Power off your earbuds by pressing and holding the multi-function MFB button on each earbud until the LED indicators turn off. 2. Once both earbuds are off, press and hold the MFB button on both earbuds simultaneously for about 10 seconds. The LED indicators will blink 3 times and then turn off again. This signals that your earbuds have entered the factory reset mode. 3. After the LED indicators turn off, release the MFB buttons. Congratulations! You have now successfully reset your Raycon earbuds to factory settings.
What to do after the reset?
After the reset, you'll need to repair your earbuds with your device. To do this, turn on your device's Bluetooth and select the Raycon earbuds from the list of available devices. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing process. Factory resetting your Raycon earbuds is a straightforward process. It can help fix any issues you may be experiencing and ensure your earbuds are working at their best. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Raycon's customer support. Happy listening!